Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the Heko wind deflectors. Bought these off eBay for about 20 quid. They were recommended on the Facebook groups, they seem to be pretty good. Hopefully this will mean that when we go camping, we'll have the windows open at night and the rain won't get in the cab. And same when we're driving along, if it's raining, still have the windows open a little bit and it won't all get inside. But yeah, so I couldn't find many videos online of actually how to install these. I think it's really simple. So yeah, I'm just going to show you today. So pretty much got two tabs, got yellow there, just means they install there. So just first thing to do is just measure it up, make sure it's the right one before you install it. That's all measured up. To peel off the sticky back. Yep, so once that's peeled off, make sure the window's open, of course. Then simply push it in that side first. It's got sticky back tabs on it, and then you bend in this section here at the top. So bend in this side. So it's all sticking out the top there. And you've got to simply bend that in and just push it all the way along. And once that's all in, just push it up, and that's pretty much it installed. You might get a little bit caught along here, so just get a screwdriver and just pull out that rubber so it just fits a little bit better. And then the next step, you've got some clips, and the clips simply go underneath here. You just push them up and that just helps hold it in place. So these are the clips. So the clips have got a spiky bit on the edge, so that wants to be facing outwards against the plastic, and the smooth bit wants to be facing upwards. As you can see there, you've got a smooth bit along the edge and a spiky bit. So simply install that here. Yeah, so pretty much you want to get the two clips, you put them an inch away from each side, so an inch on this side, about an inch on that side, inch to 2 inch. And then you get the clip, pop it underneath, and then screwdriver and just push it up. So that's what we did there, so you just push it in like that. And you simply get the screwdriver and just push, simply get the screwdriver and just push it up on until it's nice and firm. Put this one in now, about an inch away from the edge, and then you just simply push it on in like that. Make sure it's pushed in nice and tight, and that's pretty much, that is how you do the window flex. So then check it, obviously you want to put the window up, and that's it there, that's the window deflectors done. Thanks for watching guys, like and subscribe, see you in the next video.